If you're performing restoration work for customers, you need to keep leak detection work in-house. Waiting on the customer's insurance to send a franchise company out means you wait longer to do your work and get paid. What's worse is having that franchise company try to upsell your customer and steal your work away from you. By performing leak detections yourself, you can get leaks repaired immediately, dry out your customer's property, perform your restoration work, and get paid. LeakTronics is offering restoration companies a year-end offer that will keep your leak detection work in-house and get your jobs done faster. Access to the online leak detection training platform and the complete plumber's leak detection kit, regularly a $4,400 investment, is now $500 off through the end of the year with this email. Train on your schedule and get the equipment you need with the customer support you want to find leaks fast and get your customers' restoration jobs done faster. Training, equipment, and customer support to answer any questions with a simple phone call. Just $3,900 through the end of 2020. And they said nothing good happened in 2020. Call LeakTronics today at 818-436-2953 to take advantage of this special by phone and have a truly happy and prosperous new year. Learn more online by visiting LeakTronics.com.